Requirements document. 1. Introduction. 1.1 Purpose. The purpose of this document is to provide a comprehensive outline of the functional and non-functional requirements for a meal prep application. The application will allow users to plan and batch prep meals for the entire week in advance, so they can simply assemble meals throughout the week with minimal effort. The focus is simplicity, efficiency, and helping users save time in their weekly meal preparation process. 1.2 Scope. The application will allow users to plan 7 meals for the week. Batch prep all ingredients for these meals in a single session. Assemble pre-prepped meals quickly during the week. Keep the process as streamlined and straightforward as possible, similar to how restaurants prep dishes for quick assembly. 1.3 Definitions, acronyms, and abbreviations. Meal prep. The process of preparing and organizing ingredients ahead of time for quick assembly throughout the week. Meal plan, a set of 7 meals planned for the upcoming week. User profile, a user's stored preferences, dietary restrictions, and meal planning habits. 2. System overview. 2.1 System objectives. The meal plan application is designed to simplify meal planning and preparation by having users plan and prep their weekly meals in advance. Help users organize ingredients in a batch prep session so meal assembly during the week is quick and effortless. Ensure that the entire process, from meal planning to grocery shopping and preparation, takes minimal time. Enable users to create a seamless flow where they only need 2 to 3 hours prepping once a week and 10 to 15 minutes assembling meals daily. 2.2 Key features. User profiles. Users can store dietary preferences, restrictions, and meal prep habits. Meal planning. The app allows users to plan 7 weekly meals, focusing on batch prep efficiency. Batch prep guidance. Step-by-step instructions for prepping ingredients for all meals in a single session. Quick assembly. Simple instructions for assembling prepped meals in under 15 minutes daily. Shopping list generator. Automatically generates a shopping list based on the week's meal plan. Recipe suggestions. Provides meal suggestions based on user preferences, emphasizing simplicity and efficient prep. 3. User flow, weekly meal planning and prep. 3.1 Step 1. Initial setup, first-time users only. 1. Create user profile. Time estimate, 5 to 10 minutes. The user provides basic information such as dietary preferences, allergies, and time available for weekly prep. The app stores these preferences for future meal planning and recommendations. 2. Set prep time availability. Time estimate, 1 minute. The user selects how much time they can dedicate to meal prepping each week, e.g., 2 hours, 3 hours, etc. 3.2 Step 2. Weekly meal selection. 3. Select 7 meals for the week. Time estimate, 10 to 15 minutes. The app provides meal suggestions based on user profiles, available time, and preferences. Users can either accept the suggested meals or swap out meals for alternatives. The app ensures all selected meals are suitable for batch prep and are easy to assemble later in the week. 3.3 Step 3. Batch prep planning. 4. Generate shopping list. Time estimate, 1 to 2 minutes. The app automatically generates a consolidated shopping list based on the ingredients for the 7 selected meals. Users can review the list, remove items they already have, and add any needed items. The shopping list is categorized by food groups, e.g., vegetables, proteins, dairy, for efficient shopping. 5. Grocery shopping. Time estimate, 30 to 45 minutes. The user completes their shopping using the generated list and checks off items. 3.4 Step 4. Weekly batch meal prep. 6. Batch prep session. Time estimate, 2 to 3 hours. The app provides a detailed step-by-step guide for prepping all the ingredients needed for the 7 meals in one session. The guide is optimized for efficiency, grouping similar tasks, e.g., chopping all vegetables at once, cooking all proteins in one batch. The app also provides storage instructions, e.g., refrigeration, freezing, to ensure ingredients remain fresh and ready for quick assembly during the week. 3.5 Step 5. Daily Meal Assembly. 7. Assemble prepped meals. Time estimate, 10 to 15 minutes per meal. The app provides simple instructions for assembling the pre-prepped meals each day. Since all ingredients are pre-prepped, this step is quick and involves minimal cooking or reheating, making it easy for users to enjoy meals with minimal effort during the week. The user can mark meals as completed in the app as they prepare them. Total weekly time breakdown. 8. Initial setup, first-time users only 10-15 minutes. 9. Weekly meal selection, 10 to 15 minutes. 10. Shopping, 30 to 45 minutes. 11. Batch prep session, 2 to 3 hours. 12. Daily meal assembly, 10 to 15 minutes per meal, 70 to 105 minutes total per week. Grand total. For first-time users, 3.5 to 4.5 hours, including initial setup. For returning users, 3 to 4 hours per week. 4. Functional requirements. 4.1 User Profile Management. The system shall allow users to create and manage their profiles. The system shall store user preferences, dietary restrictions, and available time for weekly prep. Users shall be able to update these preferences at any time. 4.2 Meal Plan Creation. The system shall allow users to plan 7 meals weekly, ensuring they can prep ingredients for all meals in one session. Users shall have the option to accept pre-suggested meals or manually select from the recipe library. The system shall display the total prep time for the selected meals. 4.3 Batch Prep Guidance. The system shall provide a step-by-step guide for batch prepping meal ingredients in one session. The system shall group similar tasks, e.g., chopping all vegetables and cooking proteins, for efficiency. The system shall provide storage instructions for prepped ingredients. 4.4 Meal Assembly. The system shall provide quick instructions for assembling pre-prepped meals in under 15 minutes. The system shall allow users to mark meals as completed as they are prepared throughout the week. 4.5 Shopping List Generator. The system shall generate a shopping list based on the selected meals for the week. The shopping list shall be categorized for efficient grocery shopping. Users shall be able to adjust the shopping list manually. 4.6 Recipe Suggestions. The system shall suggest recipes suitable for batch prep and quick assembly. The system shall tailor suggestions to the user's preferences, available prep time, and dietary needs. 5. Non-functional requirements. 5.1 Usability. The system shall provide an easy-to-use interface optimized for minimal interaction, enabling users to plan meals and prep ingredients quickly. The system shall be responsive on mobile and tablet devices. 5.2 Performance. The system shall load meal plans, recipes, and shopping lists within 2 seconds. The system shall handle up to 10,000 simultaneous users without performance degradation. 5.3 Security. The system shall use encryption to store user data, including meal plans and profiles. The system shall comply with relevant privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. 5.4 Availability. The system shall be available 99.9% of the time, with scheduled maintenance outside peak hours. 5.5 Scalability. The system shall be scalable to accommodate growth in user base and meal plan data. 6. User interface requirements. 6.1 Dashboard. The dashboard shall display an overview of the user's weekly meal plan, prep progress, and upcoming meals. It shall offer quick access to batch prep instructions and the shopping list. 6.2 Meal Plan Creation Interface. The interface shall allow users to select 7 weekly meals by dragging and dropping meals into the weekly plan. It shall display the estimated prep time for each meal and provide recommendations based on available time. 6.3 Batch Prep Interface. The interface shall provide a step-by-step guide for prepping all meals in one session. Users can track their progress and mark prep tasks as completed. 6.4 Meal Assembly Interface. The interface shall offer simple, quick instructions for assembling meals during the week. Users can mark meals as completed after they prepare them. 6.5 Shopping List Interface. Food groups shall categorize the shopping list for easy grocery shopping. Users shall be able to check off items as they are purchased. 7. Technical Requirements. 7.1 Platform. The system shall be developed as a cross-platform mobile and web application, accessible from any modern browser and optimized for mobile use on iOS and Android. 7.2 Backend. The system shall use a cloud-based infrastructure for scalability and reliability. The system shall employ RESTful APIs to communicate between the front and back end. 7.3 Database. The system shall use a relational database to store user profiles, meal plans, and batch prep data. All user data shall be backed up regularly to prevent loss. 8. Conclusion. This document outlines the meal plan application's requirements, allowing users to spend a few hours each week planning and preparing 7 meals in advance. With simple assembly steps throughout the week, users can enjoy homemade meals with minimal daily effort.